What's going on, y'all? It's Jackson with Pecos. Today we're going to be walking you through how to prep the top of your 45 quart cooler for your hide. What you're going to do is get some alcohol, get a nice rag, and then take it and apply it to the top of the surface, just getting any residue or any grease off the top of your surface. Now I'm going to be walking you through how to prime the surface of your cooler. This is a 3M tape primer. It's going to be crucial to applying the hide to your cooler. So what you're going to want to do is to break the primer there in the middle. And this will actually release the liquid down to the tip. And you're going to focus on doing the four corners. Now we're going to let this dry. So now we're going to prep our hide. So what you're going to do is peel back a few inches, just the edge of that paper, and then make a nice seam. So now we're going to align the hide to the top of the cooler. What you're going to do is just get each corner of the hide matched up with the corners of the cooler. Now don't let this side stick, so you can move the hide to get it perfect. So now what you're going to want to do is to press on this side that you peeled back. So now what you're going to want to do is peel back this paper a few inches at a time while also pressing down on the adhesive, just to ensure that there's no air bubbles underneath your hide. Now that your hide is fully adhesed, we do recommend about an overnight dwelling period for the adhesive to fully adhese. A quick pro tip that we learned: if you flip over your cooler overnight for that dwelling period, it's going to allow for maximum adhesion and it's going to last the longest for you.